Huacreate laser cutting machine manufacturer is at the forefront of this technology, offering advanced solutions that meet the diverse needs of businesses around the world. Here are the top 8 features and advantages of sheet metal laser cutting automation from Huacreate. 1. Precision and accuracy. Sheet metal laser cutting automation from Huacreate ensures exceptional precision and accuracy. The laser beam can cut through sheet metal with extremely tight tolerances, resulting in clean and consistent cuts. This level of precision is crucial for applications where even the slightest deviation can affect the functionality and quality of the final product. With Huacreate's automation technology, you can expect consistent results every time, reducing waste and rework. 2. High-speed cutting. Automated sheet metal laser cutting is known for its high-speed capabilities. Huacreate's machines are designed to cut sheet metal at incredibly fast speeds, significantly reducing production times. This increased speed allows businesses to meet tight deadlines and increase their output without sacrificing quality. Whether you're cutting thin or thick sheet metal, Huacreate's laser cutting automation can handle the job quickly and efficiently. 3. Versatility. Huacreate's sheet metal laser cutting automation is highly versatile, capable of cutting a wide variety of sheet metal materials and thicknesses. From mild steel to stainless steel, aluminum, and more, the laser cutter can handle different types of metals with ease. Additionally, it can cut complex shapes and designs, making it suitable for a wide range of applications in industries such as automotive, aerospace, electronics, and more. 4. Reduce labor costs. Automation significantly reduces the need for manual labor in sheet metal cutting. With Huacreate's laser cutting automation, businesses can minimize labor costs and increase productivity. The automated process requires less operator intervention, reducing the risk of human error and increasing safety. Operators can focus on other tasks while the laser cutter does the work, resulting in a more efficient production process. 5. Improved quality control. Automated sheet metal laser cutting offers better quality control compared to manual cutting methods. Huacreate's machines are equipped with advanced sensors and control systems that ensure consistent cutting quality. The laser beam is precisely controlled, resulting in clean cuts with minimal burrs and deformation. Additionally, the automation process allows for real-time monitoring and adjustment, ensuring that the cutting parameters are optimized for each job. 6. Energy efficiency. Sheet metal laser cutting automation from Huacreate is energy efficient. The laser beam uses a relatively small amount of energy compared to traditional cutting methods, reducing energy consumption and costs. Additionally, the automated process is designed to optimize energy usage, further reducing the environmental impact of sheet metal cutting. 7. Easy to operate. Huacreate's sheet metal laser cutting automation is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The machines feature intuitive interfaces and easy-to-use controls, making them accessible to operators with different levels of experience. Additionally, Huacreate provides comprehensive training and support to ensure that customers can operate the machines effectively and safely. 8. Customization and integration. Huacreate offers customized solutions for sheet metal laser cutting automation. The company can design and build machines to meet specific customer requirements, including different sheet sizes, cutting speeds, and automation levels. Additionally, Huacreate's laser cutters can be integrated with other manufacturing processes, such as bending, welding, and painting, to create a seamless production line. Sheet metal laser cutting automation from Huacreate laser cutting machine manufacturer offers a wide range of benefits for businesses in various industries. From precision and accuracy to high-speed cutting and reduce labor costs, Huacreate's automation technology can help businesses improve productivity, quality, and competitiveness. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, Huacreate's sheet metal laser cutting automation is a top choice for companies looking to streamline their manufacturing processes.